There's a typhoon passing out to sea today, so it's incredibly windy. So as a precaution, we've put the strap around the outside of the hive, and we have these little legs to brace it against the house. It should be okay, but this is just to be on the safe side. We've still got the strap holding it down, but the bees, they can't forage today, it's too windy. So they keep flying out and then coming straight back down. Oh God, it's too windy, too windy. Oh no, no, no. So there's loads of them running around on the outside, wanting to go off and get some honey. But I think today's going to be a rest day. So take it easy, bees. Do some house cleaning. Maybe play charades or something. And work will resume later. It's nice and warm inside the hive. It's not actually that cold outside, but yeah, pretty breezy.